Hello Prashant, you've inquired about Seiko's watches with the metal strap. Known for quality, durability and design, Seiko timepieces are an ode to fashion and functionality, and the metal strap further enhances its durability. Let's take a look at some of these watches. From the mid-size Seiko 5 Sports collection, this timepiece operates on a mechanical movement and features a round teal-coloured dial protected by a hardlex glass and is encased in a stainless steel case. A metal with 3-fold clasp keeps the watch comfortably secured on your wrist. Features like 100-meter water resistance and a see-through case back complete the look while also ensuring a durable timekeeping experience. Next up, we have the Seiko Coutura Chronograph Watch. This unique timepiece features chronograph functionality and quartz movement. Its sapphire crystal glass protects against scratches, while the stainless steel case and dual-tone metal strap ensure security with additional features like 100-meter water resistance, an alarm function, and a 3-fold push clasp with a push button. This watch is both stylish and convenient. Last, we have the Seiko Automatic Watch. This elegant timepiece showcases a sleek dial with a striking green hue, complemented by lumibright coated hands. Its silver metal strap features a 3-fold clasp with a secure lock push button, ensuring durability and comfort. With hardlex glass protecting the dial and 100-meter water resistance, this watch offers promising functionality. The inclusion of a date-day window further enhances its practicality. Comment below your requests.